welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Maisha. Make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button. We got a new hairstyle. I wanted to do a cute curly style for my natural girls, y'all. I have really been liking the wash and goes. Like, I've been rocking the wash and goes lately, so I wanted to take my old wash and go and style her up, and this has become my go-to style. I love these claw clips down, and since I found some really good sturdy claw clips to hold in all of this thickness right here, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay, I did get this claw clip from, it's a metal claw clip. I got it from TJ Maxx. Y'all know that's my place. These products that I'm about to show y'all is some of my favorite, one of my favorite natural hair companies, and it's giving, it's curly girl approved. Y'all, I got all of these. I got all of these from TJ Maxx. Because this is the old wash and go, we got the wash and go leave-in curl refresher. Gotta have this. To hold my curls in place, we're going to do the foam and the Big Papa gel. This foam, one of my favorites. This is one of my favorites, y'all. And then for a little shine, I sometimes love a mist so that it's not so runny and I can control where it goes. So we're gonna be using the Do Misdemeanor. This is an easy style. If you're a natural girl, you like to wear your hair curly and you need an easy style, this is the video. So if y'all want to see how I did this style, just keep watching. Let's get right into this tutorial.
Okay, y'all, so of course we're starting off with an old wash and go. I'm gonna start off by sectioning my hair off. I'm gonna have 3 sections for this style. So the 2 pieces in the front and then the back. Because it's an old wash and go, I'm gonna spray my hair down with water so that I can manage this dry hair a little better. Yeah, so the water is just gonna help me activate my curls, activate whatever product that is in my hair because my hair is very dry. And I'm also gonna spray in this leave-in curl refresher by the Do. I like using these when I am doing a style or trying to refresh my wash and goes because it just, I feel like it brings my curls back to life a little bit. I don't know. But yeah, shine and mist because we need moisture, we need all the things for this dry hair. Okay, she is very, very dry and we want her to look alive. So the products that I'm using is this Big Papa defining gel. I'm going to be using this to style my hair. So basically I'm just putting the product on my hair and I'm just going to brush it through so that it is smoothed out. This is going to be the base of the style. It's going to be a ponytail. So because this is a curly style, I'm going to be using this Mousse Gel foam to just make sure my curls are more defined than they are right now. They're a little frizzy. So I'm going to spray the section down with water and then put some foam on each section just so my curls are defined, and then scrunch it up in my hand. That gets them really good and defined. So y'all are seeing me now. I'm just taking a little piece of my hair to create a little bun in the back, and that's going to create this curly top piece, and then we're going to start working on the front. So I decided to just go ahead and do just the 2 sections, the part right down the middle, y'all. Now you can get creative if you want on this part, and you can do a zigzag part. You can do whatever type of creative style you want with your hair. I did decide to pull some pieces out so that I had like some little curly pieces hanging in the front and as my little sideburn. Basically, I'm doing the same thing for this side that I did to the other side. I'm going to put some foam on there, and then I'm going to put gel on top just so that it slicks down. And then I'm going to brush it through, and this is what I call like molding my hair. Not really, but somewhat. And then I'm going to attach them in the back with a rubber band. I would suggest 2 rubber bands, but y'all, I was like so confident in myself, and I got my hair into that rubber band. I do not know how, but I did it, and that is gonna create the like swoops in the front. So yeah, just do that and then pull it up into the claw clip, and that's gonna hide that little bun piece in the back, and you're good to go. Now, I do highly suggest that you get a claw clip that is sturdy if you have thick hair like me, okay? You do not want to break the claw clip. As y'all can see, I am putting foam on each of the pieces that I did pull out, and I'm going to twirl them around my finger just so that it creates a curl at the end. And my curls just look really defined when I do this, and I like how it looks. You can have your curly top look as big as you want, small as you want, however you want it to hang. But this is what I did. Anytime you mow your hair down, the key is to tie it down immediately and let it dry completely. So we're gonna tie this down and let it sit for, you know, a good 30 minutes to an hour. I think I took longer than that, but yeah, and that's all you do. So now it's time to take everything down and see what it's looking like. Y'all, I really love this style. It is so easy, so quick. I'm gonna add some shine back into my hair with this spray shine that I got from the Dew. And yeah, that's basically it. Y'all let me know if y'all like this style. I think it's cute, it's simple, and it's a go-to for me for my natural curly hair. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what y'all think in the comments below, and I will see y'all in the next one.